Hey everyone, it's Ashley Mann with Holland Hunter Realtors, here to show you my listing at 2323 Yorkshire in Birmingham. It's a 1926 Tudor, ready for either renovation or to be torn down and a new house be built. As you can see next door and probably here in the background, there is a new house going up right now. So the neighborhood definitely has a lot of new construction going on. This house sits on a 75 by 150 lot, so there's room to expand if you wanted to make the house bigger. The house currently sits at about 2,000 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 1 full bathroom, 1 half bathroom. And the floor plan is really comfortable, really family friendly. So let's go inside, take a look, and see what potential there is.